Hello viewers, so we are doing RS Agarwal from RS Agarwal mathematics book. Chapter name is probability, and we are doing exercise 29a up to question number 7 we have done in exercise 29a. Next move to question number 8. So I am just showing you the question number 8. In this video I will provide you the solution of question number 8 to question number 15. So here comes question number 8. As you can see from RS Agarwal mathematics book, this is question number 8. You can read it. Okay, question number 8. So next go to the solution. So here let A be the event that getting sum 8 or more and B be getting a 4 on the first die. So here A, the sample space of A is look like this, 8 or more, understood, and sample space of B is look like this, that is 4 appear in the first. So A intersection B is equal to 4 4, obviously 4 4, 4 5 and 4 6 from these two sample space. Now n of A is equal to 15, from here we are getting 15, n of B is equal to 6 from here, and n of A intersection B is equal to how much? 3, 1 2 3. We have to find the probability of conditional probability A by B, probability of A by B. So that means n of A intersection B by n of B, that is equal to 3 by 6 equal to half. Next move to another question, that is question number 9. So this is question number 9. You just read it. Hope you are able to read. So let us come to the solution. Now here, if a die is rolled, if a die is thrown twice, then we are taking A is the event, A is the event which denoted the sum of number are 8. So the sample space related to A is look like this, 2, 6, 3, 5, 5, 3, 6, 2 and 4, 4, and B be the event which denoted that 5 has appeared at least 1. So 5 appeared at least 1, that means 3, 5 and 5, 3 in these two cases, 3, 5 and 5, 3. In these two cases 5 has appeared at least 1. Now n of A is equal to 5 and n of B is equal to 2. So here A intersection B is equal to 3, 5 and 5, 3. So n of A intersection B is equal to 2. Now we have to find probability of B by A according to the question. Question you have already read. Okay. So P of B by A, that's equals to n of A intersection B by n of A, that's equal to 2 by 5. Next move to question number 10. Here come question number 10. You can see from the book, two dies known as that numbers which comes up were different. Find the probability the sum of two numbers was 5. Here comes the solution. Let A be the event that the sum of two numbers appeared is 5, and B be the event that two dice shows the different number. So A is equal to 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 4 and 4, 1. Now if two dice are thrown, so there will be total number of sample point is 36. That we have to remember, 6 cross 6 36, or 6 square that's equal to 6 cross 6 equal to 36. Now from that, if we take this pair, in this pair the numbers are same, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5 and 6, 6. B the event the dice shows the different number. Now different number case should be 36 minus 6, that's equal to how much? 30 cases different number should be shown. Now n of A is equal to 4, n of B is equal to 30, and here A intersection B is equal to A. So n of A intersection B is equal to n of A is equal to 4. We have to find the required probability, that's equal to A by B. probability of A by B. Okay. So that's equal to n of A intersection B by n of B, means 4 by 30 is equal to 2 by 15. If any points you have facing any problem to understanding, then you can just comment me in my comment box. Okay, I will definitely again help you, viewers. So next move to another question. Here is the question number 11. A coin is tossed and then a die is thrown. Find the probability of obtaining a 6 given that a head come up. So for that we have to take two event. A, let A be the event that the die show a 6. Okay, die is showing a 6, and B, a head come up. B with another a head come up. Now, so the sample space related to A should be H and 6, T6, H6 and T6. That is, in tossing, with head 1 6 is come, and with tail 1 6 another 6 is come. Now, the sample space of B, a head come up. So first, in my first place I am taking one head, and in the second place a die is thrown. So the 6 sample point of the die I am taking. So this is the sample point of A and this is sample point of B. So here n of A is equal to 2, n of B is equal to 6.